Are you fed up by eating the same chicken every day? Come, let's make another level of stuffed chicken breasts. Here I am using two different ways to stuff these chicken breasts. First, you have to clean your chicken fillets and pierce them to absorb all the seasonings that I am adding here. So you have to pierce it and apply the seasonings first. So in these two chicken fillets I am using salt and pepper. So you have to use a generous amount of salt and pepper into the chicken fillets to absorb it to the outer layer, and to the inside only we are going to fill the rest of the ingredients. So I recommend you to use whatever the pasta sauce you have. Here I am using pesto. If you don't have pesto in hand, you cannot use the regular pasta sauce to fill these fillets, or you have to always keep in hand the thick kind of consistency sauces to get the filling done in these chicken breasts. So after applying salt and pepper, you have to make a pocket in this chicken breast. You should make this pocket because of you are doing a filling to this chicken breasts. So like I am showing in this video, you have to cut it to half, but don't cut it to the fullest. You just have to make a pocket, kind of a cut in these chicken breasts. So after you filling the fillets, you have to close that by the lid you are making in this pocket. So for that you have to cut the chicken fillet as shown like this. Once you make the pocket, start applying pesto inside the chicken fillet. Don't brush a thin layer of pesto for the chicken. You just have to fill this pocket with the ingredients. That's why we are calling this for the stuffed chicken. So you have to stuff inside the pockets. That's why I am using here a generous amount of pesto. Either you can use this green color pesto, which is the original one, or else there is another pesto in red color added. I guess it's added peppers into that to get the red color. You can use either pesto, and after filling pesto, you have to add cheese. Whatever the cheese you have, you can fill it, but I recommend most is the mozzarella cheese, because once this is grilling in your pan, this cheese layer should melt inside the chicken. So for that, for the easy melting process, you have to use mozzarella, unless you can fill with maybe cheddar or any other cheese you have in hand. After finishing filling cheese, I am sprinkling some chili flakes into this stuffed chicken to get a little spiciness to it. For you, if you don't like spiciness for this, you can completely omit this stage and close your chicken fillet. But you need little spiciness, so I sprinkle some. After filling cheese, you can close this chicken fillets. In this I am not adding anything more. If you need, except chili flakes, you can add green chilies, thinly chopped green chilies if you like the spiciness. So this is the first method of filling your chicken. In the second couple of fillets, I'm using another filling. So yeah, let's go to the second. In the beginning, I told you I'm doing these chicken fillets in two ways. So this is the second method. In these two fillets, I'm going to fill it by these tomato slices with mozzarella cheese and crumb coat. So let's do that. After making the pockets, you can sprinkle paprika or chili powder here and do a massage. In previous both fillets, I applied salt and pepper for the outer cover, but I am not doing that in here because I am going to crumb coat it. So I am applying some spices inside this chicken. So for that I use paprika powder and lay some tomato slices inside the chicken fillets. So as shown, you can fill it with tomato, and I'm going to sprinkle on top of it some mozzarella cheese. After you finish filling tomato and mozzarella, you can close the chicken fillets as we did in the previous two fillets. So you have to follow the same method until this stage. So after that, for the crumb coating, before you add the crumb coat, the crumbs should bind with the chicken fillets. So for that, as a binder, here I am using melted butter. In here, the supermarkets have melted butter for the cooking purposes. So I am using here that as an option for you. If you don't have melted butter in hand, you can use your regular butter and microwave it for like 30 seconds and make your own melted butter. After applying the melted butter, you can start the crumb coating. So here I am using breadcrumbs, which is ready-made. Even if you don't have breadcrumbs, you can just roast your regular bread in the oven and blend it to the powder and make your own breadcrumbs. I usually do that when I don't have breadcrumbs in hand. So come, let's cook these fillets. Pan grilled actually. I'm using here the pan grilling method to cook this chicken. So I chose tomato and mozzarella filled chicken fillets. So you can heat your oil in your grill pan, or else whatever the pan you have to cook this. If it is a non-stick, which I recommend, that is better. So I am here using a cast iron pan, which is not a regular non-stick pan, but we made it to a non-stick pan by seasoning with oil and heating the pan on high heat. Actually, my husband is the one who was so fond of seasoning this pan for a while, and after hearing that non-stick pans are toxic, I automatically switched to this pan, and now I am the one who is seasoning this pan. So until the chicken is frying, come, let's go tour with me. Now the chicken is halfway done. Actually, you have to brown the crumb coating while you are grilling this. So for that you have to lower the temperature in your cooker to a medium high or lower to medium, and cook these fillets for a longer time in a low heat. So that's what I am recommending here for the browning method. Plus, while browning, you have to well cook these chicken fillets. So this will take a while for you, not like just like 5-10 minutes. It will take more than 15 minutes to cook these 2 fillets in low heat. So mind that you can't just put it to the pan and take it out. So like this you can brown your chicken fillets and pair with anything you like. Here I added some buttered broccolini plus boiled potatoes. So I used these chicken fillets for my dinner. So that's it, and thank you for watching. Tell me if you made this and share it with me.